Hey guys, got a really quick one for you. I just recently upgraded my laptop, which means I have to reinstall all of my software, including Kuka PLC. So this is a really quick tutorial on how to install Kuka PLC on a Windows machine. So first thing is go to robots in architecture.org, and there you'll be able to download your Kuka PLC. So if you go here and click just for the Kuka PLC Grasshopper plugin, and down the bottom you get two options for members or free. So we can download either or if you're already a member and you go to the forum, and as long as you're logged into the forum, you can go to a members section and grab the private download latest early access build that is often made available. Like I said, this is for members only, and here we can download the Grasshopper plugin. Once you have your download, find the location where you've downloaded it on your PC and simply double click. Accept the agreement. Next. Next. Grasshopper library is where it has to be installed, so Grasshopper can find it. It's a brand new install, so we've got to create and install and finish. So now we can load up our copy of Rhino 6. Once that's loaded, we can hit the Grasshopper button to load up our Grasshopper plugin. And once we're in Grasshopper, we can see that the Kuka PLC has been added to our toolbar. If we click that, we can drag the core component, Kuka PLC core. If we hit settings, under advanced, we can click license, and here we've got the install license. If you have a license available, locate where you've got your .json file, open that. The license has been copied, apply and exit, and there we go. You're all set to start using Kuka PLC. Hopefully you guys found this helpful.